Hi, Mr. Lee. I wanted to go ahead and make your custom video. I did some research on your company and I did not hear back from you, but I decided to go ahead and still make a video with your information so that you're aware of how all this works and give you some information here. So, when people go on Google to search for something that they need, such as landscape in Bellevue, the first part that pops up here is what's called the map listing, the local map listing here, right? So ideally, we want to make sure that our businesses are in the top three listings right here. That's really important because those are going to be the first three companies that any person searching for landscaping services is going to see. Okay. Now, the second part of this is what's called the organic traffic. That's down here. Now, both are very, very important because this is where people go when they are looking for something. Now, there are many factors that get you to these top spots. Um, Again, ideally, the most important thing is to be in the top three listings up here in those the local listings, like I was just showing you. Sorry, let me move this over. Um, in these top three listings over here for the map, and then we want you on the first page and as high up in these organic rankings as possible. Now, I couldn't find any sort of a website or anything for your company, and I know I did come across your company by the flyer that was at my mailbox. So you may not have a website, but this is really crucial because that's the first step in all of this. We get a site generated, of course, place that people can go to look at all your services and what you offer, and then we work on getting you ranked, which is like I was talking about up here in the local and then here in the organic. Now, I just wanted to show you what one of the top competitors, so Green Spaces Landscaping, they're right here as a second listing on a Google search for landscaping in Bellevue. I just want to give you an idea of what that looks like. So here's their website. And you know it's really pretty, it's very pleasing to look at, um, but it's certainly not unbeatable. They don't have enough information. They don't have their services listed on the front page. There's just many factors that can easily outbeat the position that they're sitting in, because what our goal here is to do is to acquire all of the traffic that they're getting um, from Google searches, right? And so that's the next part of this. When we take a look at what they've got going on, there's some different rankings here, and this is all of the data from the site itself, and how they're producing. Now, this right here is your UR, and that's the trust rating. So that's how much Google trusts the website. And then right next to that is how much power Google gives to the website. Now, what creates these two ratings is what's called backlinks. Backlinks are a shout out from another website. So another website puts a link that goes to your website, and then your website then gains credibility. So, I guess the most important factor here is I wanted you to take a look at what they are bringing in a month, right? So in 1 month alone, 711 people have clicked on their site and have likely, retained their services. So that is a large amount of volume that we could get your company into that spot to take over. So again, I just wanted to kind of give you an idea of how important it is to have an internet presence for your business. And then I wanted to show you, of course, how your top competitor is doing with having an internet presence. So again, looks like your top competitor is getting about 711 folks that are trafficking to the site. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and send this over to you via text. I didn't receive a call back with the email address, and I hope that you have found all of this information valuable. I hope it makes sense, and I do hope to hear from you if you would like to move forward in getting your business and internet presence as well. Thanks a lot, Mr. Lee.